You can expect a lot from the 2021 Mazda CX-5. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a built-in garage door transmitter, an outside temperature display, heated and ventilated seats, a power liftgate, remote keyless entry, and the power moonroof opens up the cabin to the natural environment. The unique heads-up display projects vehicle information onto the windshield, including speed, gear selection, and engine speed. Drivers benefit by not having to take their eyes off the road. Mazda also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, traction control, ignition disabling, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. You'll never lose visibility with rain-sensing wipers, which activate automatically when the drops start to fall. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.